Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 30, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in between here you will find a screen recording toggle. Now for me it's located right here. I believe this is the default location of all the toggles, so assuming it is, you should be able to find yours in the same exact place. Anyway, once you locate it, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. So, in the settings, you'll have a couple obvious settings associated with the video recording. So, probably the best ones right here would be things like video quality, which for some reason is set to medium. I would recommend probably changing it to high. This will improve the quality of the actual recording. Probably the resolution or frame rate, because I don't see any kind of frame rate association right here. But anyway, that's probably the only thing I would recommend changing. There's other things, preferential ones, like right here with the toggles, so you can change them. So record touch interactions and stop recording screen when you lock the device basically. So anyway, from here we can close this. Let's find the toggle once more. And whenever you want to record, just tap on the toggle and it will start recording, I think. No, never mind, we need to press on the circle. Now it's recording. So you can stop or pause the video recording. It shows you also the timer, how long it's been recording it. And additionally, whatever you open right now will be obviously recorded by the phone. So there we go. Now once you're done recording, simply tap on the square. There we go. And this will get saved to your Photos application. Let's navigate into Library. You have screenshots. Disregard the name, and the screenshots you can see are screen recordings as well. So this is the one that I have created, I think, right? Yep. So let's play it. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.